Welcome to Shavasana, the final posture of your practice. Allow yourself to fully let go and receive the benefits of your efforts. Lie flat on your back. Let your legs fall open naturally. Feet relaxed, toes pointing out. Arms resting by your sides, palms facing upwards. Let the fingers curl gently, eyes softly closed. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Letting go of all effort. Let your body be heavy and still. We'll begin with physical relaxation. A simple body scan. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them soften and relax. Now move your attention to your calves. Release any tension. Let go of your knees, your thighs, heavy on the mat. Feel both legs melt down into the floor. Now relax your hips, your abdomen, your chest. Let your belly be soft, your breath gentle and easy. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Let them drop, melt away from your ears. Relax your arms, your elbows, your hands, all the way to the fingertips, heavy and at ease. Soften the neck. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, your eyebrows. Let your eyes rest gently in their sockets. Forehead smooth, scalp soft. Your entire body is now still and relaxed, heavy, and supported by the earth beneath you. Now bring your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and your exhale. Don't try to change anything. Simply observe. Feel the breath entering through the nostrils, cool and calm. Feel it leaving the body, soft and slow. With each exhale, release a little more. Notice the stillness between the breaths, a moment of quiet, of pure presence. If any thoughts arise, let them drift by like clouds. No need to follow them. Just return gently to the breath. Now, take a moment to simply rest, letting body, mind, and spirit surrender completely. Feel a deep sense of peace washing over you, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Begin to awaken slowly. Gently deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers your toes. Start to move with awareness. When you're ready, roll over to one side and rest there for a moment in stillness. Keeping your eye closed, slowly press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Hands resting on your knees or earth center. Take a final breath in and exhale with gratitude. May the peace you found in stillness guide you through the rest of your day. Namaste.